Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add products from Oberlo to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first thing that you can do is simply head over to your app store and search for Oberlo there, and head over to your app store and go through a bit of these apps. You might have any luck that is going to integrate both of these, but if not, you have two other methods that you can try out. So the first is by installing a custom app, and that is going to be here. Head over to your app section from the top search bar, then apps and sales channel. You're going to generate a key that is going to integrate Oberlo and Shopify. So you're going to install or create an app, enter in here Oberlo, and then you're going to choose app developer, click on create app, and then head over to Oberlo official site and then incorporate the key with the platform. And once you do that, you should be able to bridge both of these and import products. So yeah, that is pretty much it. The basic core method and principle how it is going to be working. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.